Alright, what is up guys, and welcome to a new unboxing video on this channel. Don't you think that people should look back when you pass them with your car? Or don't you think your car should sound better than it already does? If yes, this is the perfect unboxing for you. The Leo sound generator. When the box arrives, it kinda looks like this. And let me open this right now for you. Finally. And wow, there are a couple of products here. And it kinda looks like this. There's a speaker, there's a bass, and there's a total set that you need to attach everything. This is a speaker, and wow, it's heavy. It's really good quality, and that's how it looks. Let me put it to the side. And let me show you the bass, which is one of the most important parts for the sound generator, which kind of looks like this. PANTHERA Leo bass. Very beautiful piece and very, very important. You can put away a couple things of the box, and there's gonna be a whole set in it, which is very important for your car. So let me bring it out. It kind of looks like this, a very important box. PANTHERA, tuning with passion, premium quality, and made in Germany. On the side there's power like a tiger. On the back there's a couple informations which are very important for you, and the most important information is our address, because you can join us for a coffee. Sprint like a cheetah and roar like a lion. Let me put this box away for a second. We need it at the end again. When you open this box, there's a little flyer that you can open, because there's everything listed from our product side, and you can see there's a lot of information there, and you're probably gonna like it. So read this importantly and let us know what you like. Then there's a start button, just open it, and there you have a little plastic bag. Let me open it, a connection tool, and the PANTHERA Leo Active Cube. A little flyer for the connection app. You just need to scan the side of the cube. There's a QR code, just scan it with your phone and you get all the information which is sending to your car and from the car back to the cube, and everything you need is on the app. And there's a little, very cute but very beautiful PANTHERA remote control. So you can just sit in your car and change everything you would like to. Then you got a beautiful air freshener so your car smells better, just some couple screws so you can attach them to your car, and a sticker and all the cable attachments that you need to attach to your car so everything works perfectly fine. Alright, let me put this to the side, and then you got another flyer with all the products listed that you need for your car and for the future of your car, so make sure to keep this. Then you got a couple instructions for the Active Sound Generator 6.0, Universal OBD. Everything is listed, what you need to know. If you still need help with that, just contact us, call us, or write us an email. We're definitely gonna help you. And you got an instruction letter, how to connect with your app and all the functions you need to know about this app. But I'm already gonna tell you, you just gonna read this once and everything you need to know, you'll understand automatically. So make sure to just start the app and try it out. And if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to this channel, and write down your unboxing experience. And maybe we'll see you in the future. Bye.